Hello again, friends. I want to share something I just came up with, a solution to a problem that was going to waste a lot of time and energy, but I found a way around it and I want to make sure people know about it. So what I've got here is from another video I made. These are 3 object trigger zones. They're just thin bars. I have them arranged in a triangle, and that's important that they be arranged in a triangle, and not only that, but they be arranged in this specific way around this box. Okay, so it's kind of annoying to have to do this because and I'm going to have to go into a different camera to show this, but I have a lot of these dummies, and I'm going around, and there's like 10 more of them I have to go around, and it's a pain. It's a pain in the butt to. I can clone these so they're all the same size and shape at least, but I have to clone them 3 at a time, and then I have to arrange them carefully in a triangle. And again, for reasons I explained in the other video, they can't touch each other, and they have to also not be touching this box. And they have to, so it's really specific, and it takes a lot of time. And so what I really wanted was a way to copy this whole configuration of trigger zones and have them keep the same spatial position relative to each other and size and everything. But you can't really do that. You can do that with all the other Maker Pen objects. For example, this dummy, that's 2 objects and they move together and I can pick them up and I can copy them. But you can't do that with trigger zones unless you use this trick that I just thought of, and I like to think is original, but maybe somebody else has done it. What you do is you use a gizmo, and I think it can be any gizmo, but I've been using a piston. So I make a piston right here, and remember that you can connect just about anything to the axle of a piston, and that includes trigger zones, and that includes multiple things. So I'm going to go into my connect tool. I can connect this trigger zone. Whoa, got some weird stereoscopic stuff going on. I can connect this trigger zone. I can connect this trigger zone. And now, these all stay in the same place, even when I grab this point. And the final part of the trick is, and I'm going to have to change the camera for this. Let's go into first person. Sorry for any motion sickness. But now what I can do is fly right on over here to this next one. I should have left that there, but anyway, this is going to show everything we can do carefully. And now it's a pretty simple matter for me to just arrange this how I want. I got the edge close enough to that edge. Now these aren't touching, and it's all in the same configuration. I knocked that over, but that's fine. And then all I need to do for the final step is use the clone tool. Get right in close here. It flashes orange to let me know it's cloned. And again. And the 3rd time. And now I can grab this. This is my template, and remove it. And I've left a sort of printed carbon copy of that configuration of trigger zones. And now I can just take this and just keep on going and do this for all of these. Now, unfortunately, I did try this. What is with my flying? I'm just doing this stupid right now. I did try this with the whole circuit setup. It's a version of that over here. I did try this with circuit setups, and unfortunately, you cannot connect gizmo axles to the body of circuits. So you can print trigger zones, but you can't print an entire circuit. But that's a neat little trick that's going to save me a lot of time, and hopefully all my viewers a lot of time. So thanks for watching. And I'll stop this video if I can out of Steam.